If you hear some rolling out there, I have a thunderstorm rolling in the background. Anyways, a loyal subscriber wanted me to show this bird nest here that I did a video on almost a month ago. Here it is. And yet, I do not think those eggs are any good. Otherwise, all 4 of them would have hatched, and it would have been 5 in there, or 6, and not 4. But I just thought I'd show you anyway. It's in a old box full of clothing. Well, catch you guys later. This video is for you, Mac Kitty Mac. Reach out to me if I pronounced it wrong.